Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are going to be doing this schoolgirl makeup look and keep on watching to view the final results. Before we start, I just want to share what it was like growing up as Mikee. Just a little bit of background. I remember my sister, she got mad one time because her skirt gotten worn out. So that was because of me. I was hiding behind her closet and I would wear it without her knowledge. And I'm so sorry if you're watching this, sis. I'm sorry. I always loved wearing our uniform because I knew how to style it. I would always wear it high-waisted. So this is a sample of an all-boys school uniform back here in the Philippines. I honestly didn't mind wearing this uniform or the uniform I showed you guys before, but at the same time, I really gotten sick of it. So if ever I would make a new school, if you're an LGBT, you can wear it in any way you would like, or I would design it. So look how sad I was back then, wearing this uniform. I miss being this thin, guys. Oh my god. I hope you guys watched my story of my life, kind of picture my life video. I will be posting the link down below if you haven't. Now let's begin with the video. I'm so sorry guys, I'm just procrastinating a little bit. First step, remove all the dirt from your face. And then after that, we move on to foundation. You guys know the drill. I've always been doing this in my past tutorials. I have like 100. So just do your cleaning and then foundation, your makeup. So yeah. So my brows are really thin and straight. I don't know how your brows look like, guys, but just follow the shape of your brows and then I'll be like applying a tail at the end of my brows. If that makes sense. I removed my contact lenses because I feel like I look younger. So now let's apply the eyeshadow. We go from light to medium to dark. For the light, we just apply it all over. We apply the middle color on our crease and then just darken it up a little bit later on after we're done with the makeup. Then I applied some glitter just to make it look more fabulous. If you guys prefer eye pencil, go for it, but for me, I prefer using a brush for my eyeliner on my lips. And for our liquid liner, we just apply a little bit because in schools we don't wear too much. Concealer and then mascara. I didn't apply any more false eyelashes because in school we never really wear false eyelashes every day, right? So who are we kidding? So now we apply our favorite lipstick. Here I'm using like an everyday look kind of lipstick. This is from Mikee, Pink Rouge, I think. I'm not going to be wearing my nose line anymore, so I'll just apply concealer in the middle so it looks a little bit thinner. And now we're pretty much done with the makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And like, comment, and subscribe. Also comment down below any suggestions for any future videos. And I hope to see you guys soon. I am reading all of your comments. I treat you guys as my friends. And yeah, I hope you guys like... Okay, I'm done. So I just hope you liked my transformation, even though it's not professionally done. I tried my best, guys. I tried my best.